Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, we're going to walk you through a crucial privacy feature on Instagram, designed to give you more control over who can interact with your account. Specifically, we'll be showing you how to enable and set up the Limit Interactions feature on your iPhone running iOS 18 or later. This is a fantastic tool for temporarily reducing unwanted comments, direct messages, and story replies. Let's dive right in. First things first, launch the Instagram app on your phone and you're logged into your account. Once you're on your home feed, navigate to your profile page by tapping on your profile icon located in the bottom right corner of your screen. Now, to access your account settings, look for the three short lines, or menu icon, in the top right corner of your profile page. Tap on this icon. This will open up a menu with various options. Scroll down until you see the section labeled How Others Can Interact with You. Within this section, you'll find an option called Limit Interactions. Go ahead and tap on that. On this screen, you'll find the settings that allow you to temporarily limit interactions from accounts that might be causing you unwanted attention. Let's configure these options step by step. First, tap on What will be limited. Here, you can choose the types of interactions you want to limit. You have the option to limit some interactions or most interactions, depending on your needs. Review the descriptions for each option and select the one that best suits your situation. Once you've made your selection, tap Done in the top right corner. Next, let's configure who will be affected by these limits. Tap on Who will be limited. Here, you'll see different categories of accounts you can choose to limit. You can toggle the switch next to everyone but accounts you follow, recent followers, or accounts that don't follow you. Simply toggle the switch next to your preferred option to turn it on. You can select one or multiple options as needed. Once you've made your selections, tap Done. Instagram also allows you to set a reminder to turn off these limits. Tap on When we'll remind you to turn this off. Here, you can choose a time frame, such as a specific number of days or weeks, after which Instagram will remind you about your active limits. Select your preferred duration. Again, don't forget to tap Done to save your reminder setting. Now that you've configured all your desired settings, take a moment to review them. If everything looks correct, tap the Turn On button at the bottom of the screen. You should now see a confirmation message indicating that you've turned on limits. This means the restrictions you've set are now active on your Instagram account. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully enabled and customized the Limit Interactions feature on your Instagram account. This tool can be incredibly helpful in managing your online experience and reducing unwanted interactions. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more helpful tech tips and tutorials. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.